Let's fill out the Georgia ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling or buying an ATV in this state, here's what you need to know to get the paperwork right. First, you'll need 2 key documents, a certificate of title and a bill of sale using Form T7. Make sure you have both ready before the transaction is complete. On the bill of sale, the seller needs to print and sign their name under the seller section, and every buyer must also print and sign. So if there are multiple buyers, each one needs to put their name down. You'll also need to include the date of the sale or ownership transfer, and the odometer reading at the time of the transfer. Don't skip those details, they're required. Now, if there are any recorded liens or security interests against the previous owner, all of those must be released before the transfer can move forward. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.